hey, young, nice slow, nice slow, hey, young, all of the jana go, dice slow, hey, young, dice slow, dice slow.
Hi, everyone. My name is Crystal Littleben, and I am the Navajo Cultural Arts Program Coordinator.
My name is Christine Ami, and I am the Grant Manager for the Navajo Cultural Arts Program here at Diné College.
And we are here today to provide you a short information on our Navajo Cultural Arts Week that's coming up this month.
Last year, we had to put everything kind of on hiatus because we were getting transitioned into distance learning. So all of our focus went into distance learning. So first of all, and second of all, I want to say thank you and kudos to all those students and faculty and staff who dug in deep and got it done. You can't imagine like the gratitude that I feel for everything that you were able to do. But with that in our very, very recent history, we are here because we want to talk about what's going on this year.
So this year we are going to be having workshops, virtual workshops, of course, and hosted by our Navajo Culture Arts Certificate students. So on Monday, we're going to be having a stamp bracelet workshop, and that's going to be hosted by Tristan Black. And then we're going to be having a stamp ring workshop on Tuesday, and that's going to be done by Ryan Dodson. And on Thursday, we're going to be having a bandolier bag workshop, and that's going to be run by Willis Sosi. The next day, on Friday, is going to be a wool processing workshop, and that's going to be run by Veline Hatali. We're going to be ending our workshop week with a felting workshop by Tamara Martin.
So a little bit about the workshop space itself. Only admitting 5 Diné College students to the actual Zoom workshop space. And those 5 students have to be able to come to Saley, pick up some materials, raw materials, and be able to provide your own tool because we still are practicing CDC guidelines and we are not working on site in our workshop. But fear not, because even if you're not a Diné College student or if you don't make those top 5, go to our website at www.navajoculturalartsprogram.org. Click on the events tab, and then you're going to click on the workshop link provided on that page. Click to request to join the group, and that will put you in the Facebook. Will provide a list of all the materials in advance so that you can go ahead and make sure that you're prepared for that. And that link that's going to be hosting that Zoom workshop will be open for an entire week. So even if you can't make it, let's say for example, to Willis's bandolier workshop on Thursday, April 22nd at 1 o'clock, but you can attend in the evening, all you have to do is request to join that group, and you will have access to that particular workshop for an entire week. So you'll be able to do the workshop, get the materials on your own, and participate with the step-by-step process that Willis is going to be providing during that time.
So another event that's going to be happening during NCAP week is going to be on Wednesday from 3 to 4:30, and it's going to be a Ho'ine Best of Show panel, and that's going to be featuring several of our alumni Navajo Culture Art Certificate graduates. Among them are going to be Carlin Ami II, and Heather Williams, Brent Totolina, and then Brandon Diné. And we're super excited to see their faces again. It's been a few years for some of them.
They can talk a little bit about their experience entering into an exhibit, winning Best of Show, and actually we're going to be able to pull up their pieces so they can go ahead and critique their pieces then and now, so we can take a look at the growth that they've gone through over the past couple years since they've been part of the program. So we're really excited about that particular panel that'll be airing live. Actually, 3 places it'll be live: our Zoom account, our Navajo Cultural Arts Facebook page, and Diné College Facebook page. It will be live on all 3 of those areas. So you have 3 different ways to join on to that, and all of those links are also provided on our event page.
Yes. We're also going to be hosting our virtual exhibit through one of this awesome online hubs.
As Crystal and I were thinking about how in the world are we going to continue our exhibit, the Native American Art Magazine online had gallery space. We were able to reach out to them, and they, have just been such a pleasure to work with. So we are actually going to be hosting our virtual exhibit that will be featuring 40 pieces in the areas of moccasin making, silversmithing, weaving, basketry, pottery on their website. And so we've provided that information. You can go to www.nativeamericanartmagazine.com. There'll be a banner up that you can click on, easy access to get to that exhibit. That exhibit will start April 19th and it will last all the way through May 31st. So you'll be able to access just, insights to our students and our student works. If you're interested in purchasing from them, there will be information about the artists and how to contact them, whether certain pieces are for sale or not. All that information will be provided on that particular gallery space. And the link will go live, that's already on our event page that day. So you'll be able to access that exhibit that day. So we're really excited about that.
The artists that are going to be a part of the Navajo Culture Arts exhibit, we not only include our current Navajo Culture Arts certificate students, but also our Navajo Culture Arts certificate alumni students, but also our current spring 2021 Navajo Culture Arts and Cultural Arts students.
That the images that we are going to be taking for this particular exhibit are actually coming from our very own Dr. Russell, the president of Diné College, and so he's the one who's going to be helping us curate this exhibit. Through the juried exhibit itself, we have awards just like any other juried exhibit. Best of class, best of show. And then we have a couple of specialty awards. One is the Board of Regents Choice. So we get our Board of Regents involved. They get to take a look at their student work and as a collaborative effort, run through the help of Michelle Curry, she's able to, report back to us, their favorite piece, and that receives an award. There's also what we call our Community Choice Award, which is my favorite because you and the public and whoever logs onto the site has the opportunity to pick their favorite piece. And so at the end of the week, we calculate all of those tallies and we'll be reporting those findings in the Navajo Times following Navajo Cultural Arts Week. So that's always a fun award that I like to see go out. And of course, you can always email us if you have any questions about any of our events during this year's 2021 Navajo Cultural Arts Week. Feel free to contact us. You can get in contact with Crystal and I through so many different venues. You can reach out to us via our email, which is ncap@dinecollege.edu. You can leave us a message on our webpage at www.navajoculturalartsprogram.org.
And you can also send us a direct message through our Navajo Culture Arts Facebook page or our Instagram page as well.
And we look forward to seeing not only these wonderful exhibit pieces up online, but also to see our students excelling at learning how to offer workshops. So make sure that if you are interested, once again, get in contact with us or go to our event page, and the link is right below, and just hit the request to join the group button, and you will be provided with information on how to gather materials and prep for that particular workshop on that day and time. Thank you guys so much for joining us for this quick little info session on the events to take place April 19th through the 24th. Be sure if you have any questions about any of our certificate, BFA, or minor programs, get in contact with us because registration for classes start this week. See you guys later.
Bye.
Ola ni jona go da slow we na hey young da slow wo da slow wo we na hey young